Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing the text precisely so OCR can do its job. Use a camera or scanner app that supports OCR, grant permissions, select source and target languages, then frame the text to fill most of the view. Hold steady and avoid glare. Lighting and contrast affect recognition accuracy, so make a few quick test shots if needed. Once done, run the OCR extraction and inspect the selectable output. This is the raw material you will translate, so accuracy here matters. Now you focus on cleaning and translating the extracted text. First, review and correct OCR errors, characters like LVS1 or OVS0, hyphenation, and missing accents, because translation quality depends on accurate input. Then paste or use the app's translator, selecting tone and domain settings if available to keep technical terms consistent. Make sure to preserve lists, numbers, and measurements during translation. Once applied, compare the translated output back to the original context to catch any meaning shifts before finalizing. Finish by proofreading the translated text for readability and cultural fit. You may need to rephrase sentences so they sound natural in the target language. Then export or save. Choose plain text, PDF, or an image with embedded translated captions depending on use. Make sure to keep a copy of the original OCR text for auditing. If things go wrong, use this troubleshooting tip. Improve resolution and lighting, change the capture angle, or manually type short problematic sections to force correct recognition and translation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.